Hello, in this video, I'm going to go over some questions we're getting on our new marketing kit for real estate agents. So we have a new way of helping real estate agents market their property, help you with your social media posting, help you with your video slideshows, and just help get that property out there where people can learn about it. Here are some of the things that are included in our new marketing kit. That is a property website, branded and unbranded to the agent. So you have two links here, QR codes. All this information can be edited. So it's a live, active site that you have access to. Let me go into the website and just see a sample of that. I'm going to go into the branded site. So you've got social media links, the address, community information, and of course the photos and videos on the property. And you can click into these and go through these. By the way, one of the things we do on our photo edits now, we add fireplace to the fireplaces, unless you tell us not to. If it's a non-working fireplace, we probably don't need to add a fireplace. We also do free TV screen replacements. So you're not getting just a black, shiny TV screen. You're getting something, a nice photo placed on top of the TV screen. So kind of see what we're doing there. All right, that's the marketing, or that's the website for the property. Also, it has lead generation where the viewer can text you and get more information on the property. That is included. You get a property flyer that can be modified, edited, and changed. So that's what that looks like. Let's go back right here. It's a 30, 40 pieces of content, videos, and slideshows and property websites that are included in the marketing kit. So you have the property flyer, social media, tiles for reels, stories, and reel track. You have social media posts, and they're pre-made to take you through the sales cycle. You've got just listed, and you've got different sizes for different social media websites. Just listed won't last long. Again, different sizes. See here. And then new listing, open house, sold, something creative where you can just click in. All of these templates you can click in and modify and edit them. I'm going to go into this one to show you how easy. Let's say you don't like this front picture, so let's just pull one of these photos over, and now you've got, a front photo here, living room, and an entrance. Maybe you don't like the entrance photo, so let's change that. We'll just go right over here. I'm thinking I like that's nice. That's kind of the same photo. Let's do a kitchen photo. There we go. There you go. All right. Simple. And then save and download and post. You can set these up so that you're signed into your account and just post from here. Here are the example of the slideshows. And I'll post one here. So let's turn up the volume. So I'm going to download this. Okay, it has downloaded. Let me go to my download folder. Make sure. Did I see it? All right. Hickman Way. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Let's just post it real quick. That took about 5 seconds. I'm going to go to Facebook, post, video, go to my downloads folder because that's where it's at, and then post. Boom. All right. Here it raining and thundering and lightning outside. Here we go. Boom, it's posted. go to my. I wanted to go over to my Facebook feed. There we go. And there it is. It's in Facebook. It took about 15 seconds. So, and then I can share that. Well, I had somebody ask this the other day. So I'm going to show this. I can share that. I could copy the link. So I've copied the link, and I could take this over to my personal profile. So I posted on my business profile. Now I've copied the link, and I'm going to post it on my personal profile. Maybe you want to do that. So I'm just letting Facebook. Here we go. Got to get over to Kenneth Purdom. Here we go. Now we're on my personal. I did a copy. Now I'm going to do a paste. There. Now that's how to take it from your business profile to your personal profile, and then you're still giving a link back to your personal profile. So let's go back to my business profile. We're going to share that same social media video that was in your marketing template. I know this has my logo. When you download it, when you're signed in, it'll have your logo. So let's go back to my real estate photographer logo is not going to show up on your branded social media post. All right, almost there. Now, I just want to take that same post and share it in a group. So I'm back on my business profile. I'm going to go to share, options, more options, share in a group. And then my groups are going to be different than your groups. And I'm just going to share this in the Riverside community group because maybe somebody in Riverside would like to buy a house in Spring Hill. I don't know. That may. Riverside's a nice community. New listing. So there we go. One of the real estate agents started a Riverside Facebook group. I'm in it. So there you go. Okay, let's go back to the marketing kit real quick. Let's turn that video off. Well, we can leave the video on. All right, let's go to, this is the property website. I'm going to go back to the actual marketing kit so you can see what's in here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 social media video slideshows for different social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube posting that you may do. You've got a Pinterest template. You have Facebook templates. You have sales cycles to take you through the different sales cycle and different stages of the marketing of the home. You've got all of those listed right here. You have a property website, a printable flyer banner here, or that could even be posted on social media too. You could just download that and post it on social media. But sometimes people still are printing and they're putting this in front of the homes or putting them inside the homes for open house. So that could be your open house. You've got a branded. I'm going to pull that up just to let you see the unbranded website. We can look at the branded website a while ago. And this is what we call our real estate agent marketing kit. So this one is unbranded. All right. Let us know if we can help. Real Estate Photographer Pro. You go to realestatephotographerpro.com, click blogs, and there is a blog here with more information on the new property websites for marketing. So it's called the Real Estate Photographer Pro Agent Marketing Kit. And there is a video summary, examples of everything I just went over, And then there are several videos here at the bottom walking you right through that information. Let us know if we can help. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.